you this year.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. And we made our trip yesterday. And so I told them about the school. So they were very interested in trying to support the school. So it would be very nice to make a presentation about the school and how it works and how many children are here and so on and so on. Okay? And they all understand English, yeah? All of them. So
Good morning to you all. Good morning to you all.
morning. Good morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, school boys and girls, and we are saying big welcome to every individual to attend our nursery school. And this school is a community school. And the reason the community has initiated this school is that the children cannot walk from here to the neighboring village. It's a 5 kilometers. And then the nursery schools in the Gambia mostly are handled by the NGOs, philanthropists, communities, individuals, and so forth. And this school is a community based. So we are appealing to every individual to take the picture as much as they can. So when they get back home, they can present the pictures to their friends and family. They may even take it to the other schools in their country.
I'm saying so what nursery school tell them they don't think på grund av att många utav de här barnen som finns i de här byarna har lång tid längre resa på sig till de andra kommunala skolorna. Härifrån håller vi 5 kilometer så det är ju ett naturligt sätt.